Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to make a crochet rose bird keyring. For this pattern I am using 3 color of yarns. This is a worsted yarn and one 3 mm crochet hook. Let us start. First make one slip knot and make 5 foundation chains. 1 2 3 4 and 5, and now join it with slip stitch. Make a small ring. Now I am making 3 chain. 1 2 3. Count as a first double crochet stitch and make 14 more double crochet stitch into this ring. Join it with slip stitch. First round is completed. Now for second round, make 3 chain. Count as a first double crochet stitch. Make 1 more double crochet stitch in the same stitch, 2 DC in the same stitch, and you repeat 2 double crochet stitch in each stitch in this round. Total I have 30 double crochet stitch in the second round. Then third round, make 3 chain. Count as a first double crochet stitch, 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. Total I have 2 double crochet stitches. Then in the next stitch make 1 double crochet. Then next stitch you make 2 double crochet stitch. You repeat this stitch in this round. Total I have 45 double crochet stitch in this third round. Now I am attaching second color yarn. I am using yellow, bright yellow color yarn for this pattern. Go to the any stitch of the previous round and make 1 slip stitch or single crochet stitch. Tight it and then 1 chain. Then go to the next stitch with slip stitch. Then 1 chain. Go to the next stitch with slip stitch. 1 chain. Go to the next stitch with slip stitch, and you repeat this pattern in this round. Now I am folding this circle, so you go to the back side and fold it tightly opposite, and you tie it lower side of the middle. This is the middle part, and here you tie it with same color yarn. Now I am folding it properly. This is a small part and that one big part, and you gently you fold it, and this is our rosebud. Very simple method, you can make it easily, and it is absolutely for beginners. You can change your color of yarns also. Here I am using bright pink and bright yellow color. And for lower side birds I am using light green color yarn, and make 10 double crochet in the small ring. This is a 5 chain slip stitch, and make 3 chain, count as a first double crochet stitch, and 9 more double crochet stitch in the same ring or same circle. With slip stitch. Now I am making 5 chain, 1 2 3 4 5, and go to the second chain from your hook, make 1 single crochet, go to the next stitch, make 1 half double crochet, make next stitch, make 1 double crochet, and then last one is also 1 double crochet stitch, and then skip the next very first stitch, go to the next and make 1 slip stitch. Then you go to the next stitch with slip stitch and make 5 chains, and then you repeat the 1 single crochet in the second stitch from your hook, and go to the next stitch, make 1 half DC, then go to the next stitch, make double crochet stitch, go to the next stitch, make 1 more double crochet stitch, and skip the next stitch, go to the next and make 1 single crochet or slip stitch, and you repeat the same pattern 5 times. And this is a small chain, foundation chains, this is a chains, and for loop, and you insert your this chain in this is a cord type, and you insert it and make a loop, and extra yarn you and then here you join it together, or you can use the gun glue for attaching it. and here you tie it with properly.
सामान दो, सामान जल्दी दो, दो जल्दी से, खोल के दो जल्दी। दो दो, खोल दो। कवर कवर वहाँ से हटाओ जल्दी से, दो, हम दूर पड़ेगा। दो, गर्म है तो, ये तो ठंडा है पूरा। काम कर रहा हूँ, लग जाएगा।
Now I am using gun glue for attaching these birds in leaf, and here the gun glue, and here you attach your birds in the center of your leaf, and this is a finished product.
अभी नहीं पहुँचे, काम कर रहे हैं।
Attach it properly. It looks like a original rose birds. And now I am using key ring, and you insert it gently, and your crochet rose bird key ring is ready for gift loved one. This is a very easy to make it, and you can sell it, or you can gift your loved ones. And this is another one I have made. And thanks for watching my YouTube video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.